everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is the Charlie's Nail Art Advent Calendar. I know you've probably already seen it, but I'm so excited because this is my first ever Advent Calendar. I really wanted one last year. I've wanted one for years and I finally got one. I'm so excited. I was over the moon when this arrived. I've just been so busy with Halloween, but now I can relax. So these can be purchased on charliesnailar.co.uk. You can also use my discount code as well. So yeah, that's always a good thing. It will be on the screen and it's always down below anyway. So yeah, so this is £19.99 to purchase, which is, I think, is a really good price. So yeah, I like this. This is cute, and it tells you on there countdown to the big day in style with these 24 beautiful nail art decorations. So it's a mix of, it will be like charms and probably gems and probably glitters. I'm so excited. So it's over £20 worth inside. So let's open it up. I know you've probably already seen it on lots of other channels, but I had to share one on mine because I'm so excited. So she's also put some giveaway goodies in here, so we can do a little Christmas giveaway. So that's cute. There's lots of different goodies in here, lots of different bows and flowers. Oh, it's so cute. Lots of different things in there. So yeah, I will add to this because I've got lots of extras anyway. So I will do a little giveaway because this should be pretty inexpensive to ship. So what I might do is I might cut it in half and have one like international and one UK one. So yeah, I should have the money to stretch to that. So thank you very much, Charlie. And this is my little note. Aww. I'm extremely grateful to you. Should be me thanking you. So as I said in like my other videos, I am still so happy to be a brand ambassador for Charlie's. I just love her stuff. They're so affordable. And yeah, I really like them. They're such good quality as well. So yeah, look, that's really nice. And then these are the packets. How cute are they? They're cute. I like them. So you have from the 1st right up to the 24th. They're really cute. It must have taken you ages to do them all. So yeah, I really like that. So this is just a quickish video today. So let me know your thoughts on what you want me to do, because I know some of the other girls are probably going to open them day by day and record. I would like to record opening them every day if that is something that you will be interested in. I'm still going to do my other Christmas nail art as well, but I may do this as like a morning one, just a very quick video in the morning just to open it. So if you get one, let me know in the comments and we can open them together, which I think will be really fun. And then if you create designs with what you've opened, tag me or send them to my DM or my email address, because I would love to see what designs you come up with. Because what I'm hoping to do, or what I'm planning to do, is to open them each day and do a little design with them, whether it be a full design or 1 nail, 2 nail, 3 nails. I don't know, it could be regular polish, could be gel, I don't know, we'll have to decide when we open them. So yeah, so if you've brought one or you've got one, let me know, and let me know, you know, if you would be willing to share your designs with me, because I'd love to see like what each person has created with the same stuff that I've got. It'd be really interesting. I'm really intrigued for that. So yeah, I'd really love that. So yeah, let me know down below if you want to see me, you know, undo them every day and make a quick design with them. And if you've got one, open it with me, open it at the same time. We'll discuss a time in the comments, because I know with the time zone and everything else. So I think probably, I know the US is like 5 hours behind. Yeah, so we are 5 hours ahead of the US. So probably the best time I will probably post my videos between 1 and 2 o'clock every day. So that way, if you're opening them with me, we can open them together and you can let me see your designs. I'd love to see what you create with them. So yeah, let me know what you think about that. So yeah, I'm super excited. I need to have restraint not to open them all now, because I'm so excited. My first ever one. Super excited. So yeah, let me know if you've got one and if you would be willing for me to see your designs. I'd love to see what you create with them. So yeah, thank you so much for watching today. I know it's a quickish one, but I can't really do a lot with it. Well, I could, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna put it away somewhere under lock and key so I can't get to it. I'll get somebody else to hide it. Take it out of the house, take it somewhere, so I don't be tempted to open it. Well, anyway, that is enough of my ramblings for today. I just wanted to share this because I think it's really nice. And with the way everything is at the moment, you know, in the UK, we've just gone into lockdown again. So like the nail salons and all places like that are all shut. So this is a perfect time to pick up some affordable goodies that you can do, you know, your nails at home. So yeah, it's always a good idea. Well, anyway, don't forget my discount code because you can save some money on this as well. And yeah, thank you so much, Charlie, for sending me this. I am over the moon. I know you already know how excited I am because I messaged you. I'd done a little happy dance like, got my first one. So yeah, I was super excited. Well, anyway, we shall wait until December and then we shall open these together. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, you should subscribe just so you can see my excitement and what I come up with. So yeah, fingers crossed it all works out okay. And yeah, let me know your thoughts down below and if you're going to get one or if you have. And yeah, I will sort out a little giveaway because I'd like to get that started as soon as possible. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in the next video, and I will definitely see you in December. Thanks so much everyone. Take care, stay safe, and yeah, hopefully I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.